All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Locra and Ulises Bueno. They swallowed some caffeine pills and sings SED. All right, so we have this song with only two chords. I thought it could be handy to make something short and nice and catchy, easy. So we have two chords, like I said, C and F minor without any capo. Let's take a look at the chords and the strumming, and that's it. So we have C first, that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the F minor. So it's a bar chord where you play that bar on the first fret there over all strings, and then you need to add third on A and third on D. Alright, so you're gonna go back and forth between these two chords, and we have the strumming pattern here. If you grab the C here, you're gonna play down, up, up. A little bit of this jumpy feeling, so down, up, down, up, up. Alright, so we have short ups there, just quick ups like this. So down, up, up. You're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord, and then you're gonna switch. So C2 and then F minor 2, back and forth like this. And then on the 4th round or so, you're gonna hold the C. You're gonna play C2 plus 1 extra down, and then continue with F minor. So C, F, C, F, C, F, C, down, and then you continue like that. And that is pretty much what they are singing and playing here in this song here. So C, F doesn't have to be much complicated than that. So yeah, if you understand what you're singing about, love this song, give it a try. C and F minor, that's it. Play tune, guys.